and I'm 65 years old, and I'm the secretary of Christian Faith Academy. And one day, towards the end of April, my left arm started hurting, and it was like a toothache. It just hurt all the time. In one spot, I could even point to the spot where it was just hurting all the time. Then I tried to go to my doctor's, and of course my doctor was on vacation. And so I went to the emergency room, and they gave me pain pills, which I don't do well on pain medication. So I didn't take the pain meds. So I was still in pain, but I had a splint on my arm also that they gave me. Well, one day, Jocelyn Gall came in and was picking up her daughter, and we talked for a minute, and she prayed for my arm right then and there. And do you know what? The pain lessened. Didn't go quite away yet, but it lessened. And then I gradually could use my arm and took the splint off, and the next time I saw her, she prayed for me again, prayed over my arm, and right after that, my arm just felt marvelous. No pain, nothing. I could type, do anything with it, and I just had no pain. Thank you, God. All the praise goes to God.